Here's a little something just to help you get through the day, if you can. To all my followers, man, you know about me. If you know me, then you know me. Things are getting rough. Things are getting tough. You feel just like giving up. And it seems like you've had enough. Nothing seems to go your way. It feels like these days have been your darkest days. When people turn their back on you, you feel like there's no hope, that you're just through. But that's when Jesus steps right on in and remind you that you still have a friend. When you and your friends don't communicate, you want to see them, but you have to wait. Days and days go by, and in the corner you sit thinking, oh, why do I have to go through the pain? Tell me, what do I have to gain? Then you think about what you have to do just to stay sane. But I'm here to tell you, that's when Jesus steps right on in and remind you that you still have a friend. Oh, you still have a friend. Live life, love family, love yourself even more. Keep God first, even in your darkest hour. When times are hard, times are rough, that's when it's time to call on Jesus the most. Nothing lasts forever, nothing is for certain, nothing is for sure. But until they close the curtain, give thanks, receive grace. Boss, FY.